How to see your wishlist on Shein application. Are you guys facing issue to see your wishlist on Shein app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Shein application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this heart icon. Click on it. Over here you can see your wish list, and that's it guys. That's how you're going to view your wish list on Shein application. It's quite easy, right? If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you guys have any issues regarding Shein app, make sure to comment down below. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.